Do you know that you can use celery and spinach to prepare your soup if you don't want to use okra? So if you know you don't like eating okra, then this video is for you. So what I did, I boiled my beef with some cow skin. I boiled it with some salt and onion. You can see some particles of onion there. So they are ready, and I am starting the next process. But before then, these are the items that I will use. I will be using some celery. I've washed and sliced them very well, and you can see there are some leeks under, and even some onion too. Lots of onion under. This soup demands lots of onion, leeks, and celery. I'll be using some crayfish already grind in a almost dust form. A little bit of tomatoes. My spinach. I washed the spinach and slice them in smaller bits. If you don't want to slice your spinach, it's good, but I'm using it like vegetable here. And my smoked fish, so it will be a lot. So now my meat is ready. I don't need to fry the sauce. I'm just adding my celery first. My celery, sliced leeks and onion, and then tomatoes. And then I will cover for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, it's the next process, which is my pepper. I was supposed to add the pepper earlier, so I ground the pepper with some seasoning cube. The seasoning cube was really strong, so I mashed one, and I'm just adding one in full. And then next is my crayfish. I stir to mix everything together. Then now my smoked fish. I'm having like 3 different types of smoked fish there. I also mix them to mix them the smoked fish with the rest of the items in there. So you see how nice looking it is. You don't need to fry it with oil. So now I'm adding my sliced spinach. Spinach is always the last. If you have ginger, you can add it at this stage, but I don't want ginger since I'm using crayfish. And you can drop a little bit of oil at this stage. It's good to go. Use any oil of your choice. So I am going to just drop a little bit of oil to show it, but I don't really need it. I'm using olive oil. And then I will cover for the spinach to steam with the rest of the items for some few minutes. So after 5 to 10 minutes, this is my soup. See the spinach shrink, and it has come with a lot of water. So I'm just mixing it. If you don't have spinach, you can use water leaf. It's perfectly okay. Guys, try this delicious soup made with spinach and celery, and you will really enjoy it. So my soup is ready. The aroma that is coming from there is giving. With this type of soup, you don't necessarily need plantains, potatoes, or rice. It's just a type of soup that you prepare and consume it like that. So it's very easy to prepare, just like what you see. But in addition, if you don't want to consume it like that, then you can still use the soup with your potatoes. It's good to go. It's just to drink the soup, just like pepper soup, that you are using vegetables. So my soup is ready, and it is serving time. It tastes so well. It's delicious, and it is yummy. And it's serving time. See the nice color? It came out so well. My soup is ready. It's so delicious. And now it's time to eat. I will just eat the soup alone without any potatoes or anything.